internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video and I'm pretty sure this is the October box. I think, if I'm not mistaken. I still feel like I'm missing a box somewhere, but I can't even remember now because it's so long, so I'll just have to check the calendar at some point. Yes, the October box, and pens, lots of pens. This is the black gel pen that comes with every single box, so I don't usually swatch them because they're exactly the same, and I don't generally like to use these sort of pens. They're more decorative for me, but I definitely love this pen. I already know I'm going to love this one because I have it in a couple of sizes. This looks like not 0.1, maybe this is 1, like 1 millimeter. I'm not sure. We can try this out at the end, but it's basically a waterproof permanent marker, but like a mini permanent marker. So let's, ooh, okay, this little faux leather what am I saying? This little faux leather pouch, very cute. You could put makeup in here, and I guess like having chains like this is really good in the sense that you can put like a big strap on it if you want. Then we have the washi tape, which I will unbox at the end. So let's see, we have this beautiful post-it note. This post-it note kind of looks transparent to me. I don't know. Let's open it up and have a look. It says Valium, so yeah, it is semi-transparent, if you can kind of tell. Oh, there we go. That's one sheet. I really like this because I don't have anything like this. I feel like when I say I don't have anything like this, it's a big deal because I've been unboxing stuff and doing this channel for a very long time. I feel like I've seen most things, but not this. It's so cool. And then we have a little, oh, check that out. How cute is that? I know I have it upside down, so it's more like this. That is beautiful. And I actually appreciate that the backing is this nice soft rubber, so if you have it on, like you want to pin it on your clothes or anything, you don't have this like tough metal thing sticking up against your skin. It's nice and soft, although I'd probably put this more in like a bag, but that's gorgeous. It's so simple and elegant with a little bow. Love that. It's giving me very like, I think it's because as I was going through Netflix, for some reason it's been pushing Twilight movies to me, and so I've just been looking at this. I'm like, this is giving me very Twilight New Moon vibes. And then we have, oh, vinyl stickers. I'm excited. I've not really done a lot with vinyl stickers in the past. I've not used them, but I am actually pretty keen to stick these on maybe some cups. I just think it's so pretty. I love this rabbit in the moon. And you've got butterflies. I actually, like, believe it or not, I don't like butterflies. It's probably one of the fears that I have. I just feel like they're insects with a cuter outfit. So every time I go to the zoo and there's like a butterfly enclosure, I can't go in because it freaks me out. So usually I just wait outside while everyone else goes in. Oh, this is totally like Luna, Sailor Moon's cat. Love this. And then I think this is crystal, like a crystal with some leaves on it. Yeah, so I love these three. Not so much the butterflies. I feel weird admitting that. Like, I don't think I admit that. Don't think I've admitted that publicly because I don't think a lot of my friends realize that I'm scared of butterflies. And especially butterflies are such a common design, I don't know, design topic. I'm not sure how to categorize that for planners. So you see them a lot and people love them because butterflies aesthetically are quite beautiful. But yeah, I wouldn't call it a phobia. Like, I don't freak out or anything, but I just really, really, really don't want to be around a butterfly. Ooh, astrology. Okay, I'm a big fan of astrology. Especially in my teen and early 20s, I was like massively big on astrology. Now, less so, but I still find it very interesting. And I love finding out people's suns, rising stars, rising sign, and moon. Sun, moon, rising sign. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just very interested, and I love mapping their personalities to it, even though I know it's very general, so you can really map any personality to any of the signs, but I still find it very interesting. So I love that. And then there's a piece of card, little bunny ears. And then we have the stickers and the notebook. I don't know why I just blanked there for a second. Oh, I love these. I've got some more foiled stickers in this collection. So we've got home, work, play, script stickers. We have these beautiful, it's almost holographic, but not, because it's like a pastel holographic. This is so nice. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's really nice. I think it's because the sun is hitting it from this angle. That is so cool. Man, I wish. I've just started getting really into Halo Taco, which is Simply Nailology's nail brand. This particular color is Menchie, and I really hope she comes out with something like this. I would totally buy it if she brought a nail polish that was like that, like foiled this way. So we have some half boxes. We have some, I would call these seal stickers, date covers, and then full boxes with more labels. So beautiful. So beautiful. Now let's open up the notebook, because I feel like every month the notebook is different. Okay. And dot grid. Okay, perfect. Love a good dot grid notebook. Awesome. All right, that is everything. Actually, I don't know whether to try the pen, because let's just try the pen really quickly, because actually, you know what? Let's try it on plastic on this one. It's very reflective, but it's more proves a point that it's permanent, because if I was to just do it on paper, it's no different to say it's like, this is the counterpart pen, but this is a very just like standard, great for watercoloring and stuff like that. But this, I think the real uniqueness in it, oh, okay, it's super thin. It might be a 0.1 pen, to be honest. Very, very thin. Yeah, super thin. The whole, really one of the biggest benefits of this is that it can write on plastics and really anything. So simply, there you go. Sorry, my handwriting got really bad towards that end. But yeah, it dries really fast, so you can see you can't rub it out or anything. So it's like a mini permanent marker, and I really love this, because I feel like traditionally permanent markers are big and thick and bulky, but I feel like the Sakura line has really brought it into being much more fine. All right, let's go open up some washi tape. Okay, how's that? Okay, I feel like it's a little, all right, there we go. I feel like it's a little clearer. I think before it felt a little blurry. So you've got your moon, your crescent moons, you've got your star signs, quintessential bow with a bit of a gradient to it. I really love that. Love this. It's very like scattered of stars and circles and hearts all foiled. This is the butterfly. This one is I think these are like the phases of the moon, and it's perforated edges as well. So you can use these as separators or headers in your planning. So yeah, that is everything in the August Simply Gilded box. I really love this. I really love the touch of blue that's scattered throughout the kit, because I felt like you could have played it really safe and not put blue in, but blue just really added a little bit of extra to it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.